Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect your high level to n8n. So without further ado, let's begin. First thing that we need to do is to log in on our n8n account. Once logged in, we're going to click on personal on the left panel and then click on the workflow that we want to use. Now we're going to add a first step, and on the search nodes, we're going to search for high level. And then we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to choose an action that we want to automate. And from here, we're going to fill up the following from credentials, resource, operation, and contact ID. For our credentials, we're going to create a new credential, and then n8n will ask us to fill in the following from our authorization URL, which we can choose from either a white label or standard, and then we're going to fill in our client ID, our client secret, and our scope from high level. Once we're done, we're going to click on save. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!